Elephants are very clever, they're very intelligent. They can tell who loves them, who does not.
Spending a day with the elephant is good than spending a day in town.
It is much, much better to work with the elephants than with human beings.
You know, unfortunately, elephants have teeth, the ivory tusks, and ivory has always been a very valuable commodity. It's called white gold. Tusks belong to the largest land mammal. There's a lot of mythology attached to that. So this is the problem that we have.
This is just the end of the night. We want to start the day, and we just have to get the last feed of the night. So the elephants are ready, are waiting for their milk. We feed them every 3 hours, day and night. So they know the next feed is about just before 6 or exactly at 6. And we are almost at 6, so they're waiting for the milk. Each elephant has got one keeper. The keeper spends in the night with the elephant for the purpose of feeding them every 3 hours, covering them with blankets when they lie down to sleep to keep them warm, and also keeping them company. Come on, Kajoro, come. As a keeper, you have to love the animals. If you don't, the animals will not love you and you can't work with them. Elephants are very clever, they're very intelligent. They can tell who loves them, who does not. And if you don't love them, they're very selective. They can decide not to associate with you. When they suck on our fingers, they feel comfortable, they feel like they're relaxed, they feel they're okay. It's like the little human baby with the mother. Stay up.
All elephants are very, very maternal. Even here in the nursery, little babies that are only 2 years old, that are like a child of 2, a human child of 2, are caring and motherly towards the smaller ones. When you raise elephants, you have to replace the family that they've lost with a human family, and there must be enough people to represent a family so that they walk with the elephants just as they would in a herd of other elephants. The humans replace the family, and a different keeper will be sleeping with each elephant every night, so they don't get too fond of one person. This is where the infant elephants come. The ones that are very fragile, the ones that are fully milk dependent. This is where they come, and this is where the intensive care happens. And if we can get the elephant to 2 years old and it's doing well, then we transfer it to one of our 2 rehabilitation stations in Salve.
This Lempote is a greeting. Just want to say jambo and also get the smell. How are you doing today, this morning? And then she's fine. Yeah.
These elephants are all rescued from all parts of the country, and they're usually found by tribal people or by Kenya Wildlife Service. The mother's been shot for ivory, and the orphan is an orphan. Now, the elephant family will look after a baby to the very best of their ability, but there are not very many females that are lactating that will have enough milk to be able to nurture 2 babies. And no mother elephant will jeopardize the survival of her own calf to actually feed an orphan. To an elephant, the family is all important, as indeed it is to humans. And one has to always think of elephants in a human way.
Meet Mulika here, who is aged 13 years old. She has been out for the last 4 years now. And lucky enough, she has got a wild-born baby from a wild bull, showing how successful the project has been. So the baby Mwende is aged 8 months old. He's a happy baby. Mulika! Mulika! Mulika, Mwende! Just wait for some few minutes, you'll be given your dairy cubes. Mulika! 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 With the orphans, you know, they come all over Kenya from different parts. And when they come in one area, like when they are brought to Irumba, they just stay like elephants, like one family. And when they leave the human family and they join the wild elephants, they will not say, you have been living with people, so will not accept you into a territory. So they are accepted and they are taught what they need to learn concerning the world. One thing I've learned from elephants is that they're always united. And if an elephant falls sick or is injured, you find that there are those elephants who stick to that elephant. It's never left alone.